Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that reserve rights token. Now before start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, reserve rights RSR is the dual purpose utility and governance token for the reserve protocol, a decentralized platform for creating assets backed stablecoins and token baskets. Governance and insurance token. SRS is used to govern and provide a safety net for reserves stablecoin, stable for the security. Holders can stake RSR to earn a share of protocol revenue while acting as first loss capital. Evolving ecosystem. The protocol has expanded from stablecoins to permissionless ETF like basket called decentralized token fulls DTFs. Reserve right project institution rating is 4.3 and this project audited by Ceritic. Reserve right token total supply is 100 billion and circulating supply is around 62.55 billion RSR token. RSR token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 95% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.